Hey guys, a common question that I get asked, especially after people watch my routine videos, right? How I get my beard ready in the morning or at night, is how do you comb underneath your beard without getting any tangles or snags? I have a few tips that I'm going to give you guys right now. You don't even have to wait for them. I will come back in the video later and go into more detail. Number one is use an in-shower conditioner. Number two is comb your beard in the shower. Number three is use the proper tools out of the shower, including using heat. And then number four, length and gravity are going to help all. The longer your beard gets, the more it's going to straighten out and ease those tangles and snags. I really don't deal with this. Once I have my routine down, it's not an issue. Let's say I go camping for a week and I'm not doing all those things, it comes right back and I know exactly what you mean. So hopefully those tips will help you guys out. And if you want to hear more about them, please stay and I'll give a little bit extra on each of those. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the video. My name is Dan C. Bearded. Check the stuff out. See if you like the vibes. Subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you're returning, thank you guys for always coming back. Let's go into more detail on all of those points. Point number one, use a beard conditioner in the shower. Now, what I mean by that is a conditioner that is actually designed for your beard. That's designed for the pH level, that's designed for the environment and the type of hairs that we have on our face. And the good news for you consumers out there are tons of quality options now. Just a couple of years ago, there weren't many beard conditioners. Now you have company after company making unique, different, and great ones. My personal favorite is Beard Octane. Why? Because it just works over and over again. It just has proven to me to be the best. Now, I also passionately love ones from Whiskey and Hardtack, from Chesapeake, and other companies out there like the Bearded Mac or Live Bearded. With so many options, that is good news for the bearded buyer out there. But what does conditioner actually do when we're talking about getting your beard to not have tangles or snags when you're combing from underneath? Well, it's going to add a layer of slip. When you're grooming and you are combing, if you're pulling out hairs unnecessarily or too early, that is about as bad as it gets for your beard, right? We can do different things that are going to damage the beard, not be good for it. But if you're pulling it out before it is supposed to, that is at the top of the list. Beard conditioner is just going to let you comb easier, just going to let you groom easier, but you do not want to overdo it. I only recommend this a couple of times a week, 2, 3, 4 times, depending on your situation. I have videos all about these topics, but examples would be if you have a gray beard, oftentimes doing conditioner a little bit more is a good thing. If you're in a dry climate, using conditioner a little bit more is a good thing. But just consider that the longer your beard, the more conditioner you can get away with. The shorter your beard, the more humid the climate, the less conditioner you want to use there. But this absolutely, if you have not tried beard conditioner and you have a beard of some substance and you're getting tangles and snags, this could be the one thing that changes it all for you, okay? Point number two is combing your beard in the shower. I have absolutely fallen in love with the Chicago comb number 8 for the shower. This is waterproof. It's got the little hangy thing here, so I just hang it up in my shower and it is ready to go. This is gonna glide through your beard like an absolute dream. The word game changer gets thrown around a lot, by myself included. This is a game changer. Now, I've combed my beard for a long time. I actually had a video about combing your beard in the shower. This is kind of replacing that one because it was old, not good quality, but I used a wooden comb and that was great. I had no problems. This was the level up. And neither, like Beard Octane has no idea I'm making this video. Chicago Combs has no idea. I've never made a penny off Chicago Combs. I don't have any plans to. I just love their product. So when you comb your beard in the shower, that's just kind of getting those tangles and snags out while you have that little bit of lubrication from the water, from the conditioner. And then when you get out, it's just gonna go through much easier. So point number two is get a comb into your beard while you're in the shower. Point number three is use the proper tools with heat. This is probably the one thing that guys fight the most. They'll complain about the tangles. They'll complain about the snags. They'll talk about the density of their beard. It doesn't work for me. But I'm like, hey man, have you tried some heat? A blow dryer or a heated brush? Nah man, that's not for me. Dude, you cannot complain about the tangles if you do not at least try this step. Get a blow dryer, get a heated brush. What that's gonna do is the reason your hairs are tangling and snagging is because they are curly, they are wavy, and they are kind of velcroing to each other. Once you straighten them out, now that comb goes through much easier. Simply get a beard straightener to be able to get those hairs to go through easier. Now with that, the proper tools. Again, I have fallen in love with the Chicago Combs pick. Any quality pick is gonna work. I had another video about picks. This one is just the best that I've ever used. I don't know if it is the length of the teeth, the width of the teeth, or what it is, but this is the Chicago Comb number 6. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments right now. Does it say on here? 7. Don't correct me. Erase that, delete that comment. Chicago Combs number 7. This is the pick comb that they have. Get that bad boy under your beard. I'm gonna demonstrate right now. Look at this. Literally no tangles, no snags whatsoever. It goes through like a dream. And notice that gives me a little bit of volume. I also have a video on that. Drink, third time I've said that today, sorry. But really, the proper tools matter. If you're just using a really narrow Kent comb and you're going through your beard, yeah, that's gonna get it. If you're using combs that are not designed to be able to glide effortlessly, that's gonna make sense why you have those problems. Guys, try heat if you have not. I know you may think it's girly. I know you may think it's too much work. It is worth it. It really is. And then the last one, nothing that I can teach you, but kind of give you that encouragement. If you let your beard grow, once length and gravity take over, that naturally is going to straighten those hairs out. That naturally is going to allow them to have less tangles and less curls. So if you're going for a bigger beard, truly, if you give it time, if you give it patience, it will help you out and you're not going to be pulling out as many hairs. Conclusion, let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. If you guys don't know, people actually read these comments. They value your input, they interact back and forth, and there are thousands, I literally mean thousands of people that read the comments, but will never say a word, but they're absorbing all that information that you are teaching them. Is there a strategy that I did not cover that works for you for helping to prevent tangles and snags when you're combing underneath your beard or really any part of your beard, right? All of these things in the video can translate, but specifically guys have problems when it comes to their underbeard. I would love to know those things. What about the ones that I mentioned? Have you always been doing them? Have you switched to it recently? Have you noticed a difference? This is an open discussion. I would love to hear all angles. Thank you guys so much for your continued support, comments, everything that you do for this channel. I really appreciate it because I love doing this and you guys just make it better and better day by day. Dan C. Bearded, stay bearded and stay positive.